what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools.
Today on Eyes and Tools, I'm using ShopShark to find and validate a TikTok shop product for an affiliate style video. The goal is not to chase anything that looks viral for one day. The goal is to understand whether a product has real traction, whether the trend is still moving, and what type of content is helping it sell.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
Before we start, one important thing to remember is that analytics should guide your decisions, not replace them. Sales estimates, commission estimates, and trend signals are useful for research, but they are not guarantees. You still need to consider the product, your audience, the quality of your content, and the rules of the platform before promoting anything. ShopShark is built for TikTok shop creators, sellers, and brands who want more context behind what they see on TikTok. Instead of only looking at views or likes, you can research products, videos, creators, and live streams through ShopShark that scrapes over 20 million videos daily. For this test, I start with product discovery. I am looking for a product that has enough activity to prove there is demand, but not one that already feels completely saturated. So instead of searching randomly, I look for products with recent momentum, strong engagement, and a trend line that is still moving in the right direction. This is the first thing I like about the workflow. A large total sales number is not enough by itself. A product might have generated a lot of attention last month, but be losing momentum now. So I look at the recent performance instead. I check the growth trend, the units sold, the estimated GMV, and how the product has been moving over time. I want to know whether the product is still rising, holding steady, or already peaking. That difference matters because timing is everything on TikTok Shop. Once I find a product that looks promising, I open the product analysis and go deeper into the content behind it. This is where the research becomes more useful than simply looking at a product leaderboard. ShopShark lets me explore the videos connected to the product and see how different creators are presenting it. I can look at the estimated revenue signal behind individual videos, the engagement, the views, the commission information, and how the performance developed over the life of the post. Now, I am not trying to copy someone else's video word for word. That is not the goal. What I want to study is the creative pattern. What happens in the first few seconds? Is the creator leading with a problem, a surprising result, a product demo, a comparison, or a personal story? When does the product appear on screen? What is the main angle that makes people keep watching? For the product I selected, I might notice that the strongest videos are not overly polished commercials. They are simple demonstrations that show the product solving a very clear problem quickly. Next, I look at the commission side. A product can have strong sales, but that does not automatically mean it is the best choice for an affiliate. I want to understand the estimated commission value, not just the percentage shown on a listing. This helps me compare products more realistically. A product with a lower commission rate but stronger conversion could be more interesting than a product with a high commission rate that barely sells. Another useful part is the live commerce data. A live stream can show a sudden spike in viewers or sales, but without context, those numbers do not explain much. ShopShark helps connect that spike to what was happening at that exact moment. You can look at the timing, see which product was being featured, and check whether videos published around the same period may have contributed to the sales movement. This gives you a much clearer picture of what actually influenced the results, instead of just looking at the final sales numbers. One feature I really like is that ShopShark ranks every product sold during the live stream, from the highest selling item all the way down to the lowest. Instead of guessing what performed best, you immediately get a clear breakdown of which products drove the most revenue and engagement throughout the session. From there, you can open any of those products and dive deeper into the details. You can review the commission rate, pricing, product information, and other useful metrics to understand why it performed well and whether it's worth promoting yourself. This is useful because it helps answer a better question than, did this product sell? Instead, you're learning which products sold the most, when they sold, why they performed well, and whether they fit your own content and affiliate strategy. One of the most powerful features in ShopShark is the videos section. At the top, you'll find a search bar that lets you search by product name, keyword, brand, or category, making it easy to explore almost any niche you're interested in. Once you search, ShopShark gathers all the relevant videos in one place. You can sort them by views, likes, engagement, publish date, and other filters to quickly find the content that's performing best. This saves a huge amount of time compared to manually searching through TikTok. Opening any video gives you even more insights, including its performance metrics, the product it's promoting, and other useful data that helps you understand why it's working. Instead of guessing what kind of content converts, you can study proven examples and use those insights to build a stronger content strategy of your own. For me, the biggest value of ShopShark is that it turns TikTok Shop research into a more structured process. You can discover products, validate the trend, study the content that is actually performing, understand the estimated revenue signals behind it, and make more informed decisions before you invest your time. If you are a TikTok Shop affiliate, a creator looking for your next product angle, or a seller trying to understand which content is really driving results, check out ShopShark through the link at the top of the description.